Welcome to home screen. So guys, if you are having a problem like this one, as you can see, what you could try to do is adjust the maturity settings. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to the more over here at the bottom right. And now scroll down and then go ahead and go through the settings over here. Now here on the settings, go for privacy and content restrictions. And you should be able to see here content maturity. So tap on it. And from here, just simply adjust the content maturity to mild or moderate, or you could even go for restricted. So from here, if you are having problems with changing this one, I have a video down link below to fix the issue to change these settings. It means that you are not yet an adult. So if you have a parent connected to your account, you cannot change these manually. So check the video down below. And after that, when we go to the game, we should be able to now play it out. And there we go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.